Welcome! If you've been running a fundraiser on Instagram but want to stop receiving donation alerts, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to turn off those notifications quickly and easily. First, open the Instagram app on your device and head to your profile page. This is where you can manage all your personal settings and preferences. Next, look for the 3 horizontal lines icon located in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it to open a menu, then scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. This section controls everything from your account details to notifications. Once you're in Settings and Privacy, find and tap on Notifications. This is where Instagram lets you customize what alerts you want to receive and which ones you want to silence. Inside Notifications, scroll until you see the Fundraisers option and tap on it. This will take you to the specific notification settings related to any fundraisers you've created or supported. Finally, under the Your Fundraisers section, you'll see the option to toggle notifications on or off. Simply select Off to stop receiving donation alerts from your fundraiser. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily manage your fundraiser notifications and keep your Instagram experience just the way you like it. No more unexpected donation alerts popping up while you're scrolling or posting. Remember, Instagram updates its features regularly, so if you notice any changes in the menu layout or options, just look for similar wording or icons, and you'll find your way. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to stop donation alerts from your fundraiser on Instagram. Stay in control of your notifications and keep enjoying your social media time.